Hey everyone, and welcome back to another edition of Ray's Reviews. In today's product review, we are going to be doing a product unboxing and review of the Tonor Q9 USB microphone. I am so excited to test out this microphone kit because it's an all-in-one kit that comes with a condenser microphone, a boom arm set, a shock mount, and a pop filter. Could this microphone be the Blue Yeti killer? We are going to find out and do a full unboxing and review. So stay tuned and let's go. All right, let's start off by taking a look at what comes inside the box. All right, so I just opened it up. So you have your instruction manual over here. You have your shock mount that comes over here. You have your pop filter that comes inside the box. You have everything you need to set up your boom arm stand over here. Included USB cables and the actual condenser microphone with a foam cover. And the first thing I will say is that this USB condenser microphone feels extremely high quality. It just has a very nice sturdy weight to it. All right, so just to reiterate all the items that come inside the box included, you have your shock mount over here, you have the pop filter, you have the boom arm set, USB cable and instruction manual, and the condenser microphone with a foam cover. All right, so I'm just gonna get this microphone set up right away. So really easy to put the microphone into the shock mount. I just basically inserted it inside, and at the back you have that USB connection where you can basically attach your USB cable. And then this clamp is really easy to install. Just clamp it down to any table of yours, and we are gonna install the boom arm next. So I just clamped it to my table over here, and then I'm gonna put my boom arm on next. And then I'm just gonna attach my shock mount with my condenser microphone onto the boom arm just by attaching it like this. And I'm just going to tighten it up, and then we'll get the rest of this thing set up. So there, it's nicely set up now. And the last thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put the attached pop filter onto the boom stand as well. This one to get rid of those popping pup sounds. So now you see my pop filter is on, my condenser microphone is attached. This was so easy to set up, so beginner friendly that you could get this set up in like less than 2 minutes time, just super easy. And I am ready to test out the sound next. So really excited to see how that performs. All right, you have that LED light when it shows that the microphone is on, and you also have the volume up and volume down button over here as well. So very simple, intuitive setup for this Tonor Q9 mic. All right, and then I'm just gonna attach the USB cable to the condenser microphone to my computer, and we're gonna go do a sound test. We're gonna test this out versus the Blue Yeti and see which one sounds better. All right, one of the coolest things about this Tonor Q9 USB microphone is that right now it's on sale for only about $55. That's right, you get a USB condenser microphone, the pop filter, the shock mount, and the USB arm, all for only $55. So this is a huge budget compared to something like the Blue Yeti, where you would have to purchase separate equipment. You would have to purchase your own boom arm stand, your own shock mount, and this is the quality that is directly coming from the Q9. So everything that you're hearing, everything that you've been hearing so far is audio quality coming directly from the Q9 USB microphone. What do you guys think about the audio quality? We are gonna do a deep dive in comparison versus the Blue Yeti quality next. All right, so now I'm talking directly into my Blue Yeti, and all the audio quality that you're hearing now is coming from my Blue Yeti. With the Blue Yeti, I did purchase the Blue Yeti separately, and that cost me about like 110 bucks from like Amazon. Plus I had to buy separate items, like I had to buy this separate pop filter, I had to buy this boom arm. So all those costs kind of added up. I think the boom arm was like $30, this pop filter was like another $20. So all in, I was looking at about $150 for this Blue Yeti setup with the boom arm, shock mount, and the pop filter, versus something like the Tonor Q9 where it's like an all-in-one setup for only like $55. So this is the audio quality coming directly from the Blue Yeti. How would you guys compare it to the audio quality that was coming from the Tonor Q9? All right, one question you may have is that, can you connect this microphone to your iPhone? And the answer is yes, but you will need to purchase separately a separate connector, and the connector that you're gonna need is you will need a USB-B cable connection to Lightning cable I'll put a link in the description below, but if you purchase that connection, then you will be able to connect your iPhone or iPad to this microphone and directly record from your iPhone or iPad. And similarly, if you wanted to connect it to an Android phone, you would just need to purchase a USB Type-B connector to the USB-C cable. I'll also leave a link in the description below, and then you can record using your Android phone. So very, very versatile. One of the things that I love about this mic was it was just plug and play. I just basically plugged it into my computer. It basically found the audio device and I could start recording immediately. Super, super simple. Everything you need inside the box, so it's really, really beginner friendly. Once again, I have no problems with recommending this mic because it's just a really awesome sounding quality mic for only $55. That is like all-in-one solution. I mean, you can't expect this to give you the same audio quality as a mic that is like $200 or $300, but this is like a $50 all-in-one mic, and for it to come with this amount of great audio quality, I am very severely impressed, and I have no problems recommending this. So if you're like a brand new content creator or a YouTuber just looking to up your sound game, but you don't want to spend too much money, then I think this is a great solution. I think Tonor just makes really great budget microphones. So give this a shot. I will leave a link in the description below if you wanted to purchase this Tonor all-in-one Q9 microphone from Amazon for only $55. There's a special promotion going on right now, so the link is in the description below. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm just gonna end with playing around with the mic one more time. Hey yo, I'm liking this Q9 microphone so far. I'm about to hit him up so far. I'm sorry that I got no bars, but you know that I go hard. I got no money, I drive a slow car. I'll hit you up with a crowbar, like I'm Joe Higashi or Andy Bogard. 55 bucks only takes you so far. All right, I gotta stop. All right, I'm having too much fun playing with this microphone, but yeah, once again, I love this microphone for the budget price, love the sound quality. Make sure you guys check it out in Amazon below, and I will see you guys in the next video. Please like and subscribe if you guys enjoyed this video, and take care.